Hey, what's up, my unboxing bros and friends, and I don't know. Normally I say my unboxing friends, but whatever. Today we have a samsclub.com unboxing. This is really, really heavy. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out my other ones. This shipped from Woodyville, Washington to South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, check them out. My other ones. If you want to help support my channel, you can hit the notification bell, subscribe, share, check out some of my other ones. So I ordered, this is for myself and also for a family friend. My mom's friend loves Premier Protein. I love them as well. These are Premier Protein Smooth and Creamy Shake with oats. 20 grams of protein, 7 grams of fiber, 1 gram of sugar, 24 vitamins and minerals. Enjoy hot or cold. I did a taste test and review, so you already know my opinion if you want to creep my page and check them out. This is really heavy, and I'm trying not to have this fall on me. I really enjoyed this flavor. I bought a couple for me, got a couple for my mom's friend, and I'm going to enjoy the heck out of them. I like a good deal, and at the moment, Sam's Club has the best deal on these. Do you recommend a place to get them even cheaper? Premier Protein. If you want to holler at your boy, make me the poster child for Premier Protein Apple Cinnamon or any other flavor. Please let me know. I've done taste testing reviews of every single Premier Protein flavor I can find so far. I just got the new chocolate hazelnut. I couldn't find. All right, what did I just got a new one. I don't know, but check out my channel. Subscribe, share. See my other videos. I will be doing more taste tests and reviews as they come out. And yeah, if you want to help support my channel, you can go to riptapparel.com. That's riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Save $3 approximately off every single shirt if you use my username London Hawthorne when you're checking out. Thanks a lot for watching. Just hit the notification bell, subscribe, share. That's all free and that's easy to do. And it helps me out in the long run. I wish you the best. Have a great day.